What is going on, my party people, Money Squad? Happy gobble Thanksgiving, all of that stuff. I hope everybody full. That opu, that stomach is full. I'm always doing this Hawaiian words, right? You're like, what the hell? Yeah, opu, stomach. That could be a Hawaiian trivia question, right? Shout out to everybody for stopping through. Welcome my new subscribers, continued subscriber. Welcome to the Money Squad. I'm gonna do a giveaway next month. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway next month. We're gonna do a tweener between the New Year, Christmas. We're gonna do a giveaway because I feel like it. It's my channel, so I periodically do giveaways like that. So stay tuned for the rules, all of that stuff. Probably I normally used to do shoes. We'll see. Cause shoes I give the receipt. Sometimes it's better to do the cash and all of that stuff. But this weekend I know the fight is going on, but I am not finna watch two old dudes, Tyson and Roy Jones, go at it unless it's free. I am not paying $50 to see them jokers. I'll be surprised if it goes 2 rounds, right? Well, we got Who Has the Heat this week. First day, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. DeCarlo, aka One Handsome V, versus the Sneaker Connoisseur. And on Sunday, OG Sneakers versus Sir Knight, same channel, same time, in the building with my fam, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, and the dopest chat live in all of YouTube. You dig? So tell a family member, a friend, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, both days. Check us out on the Who Has the Heat page. And if you haven't subscribed, head right on over there, click on that red button and join the team, right? We got a lot of stuff going on. We got the 2nd annual Who Has the Heat award show coming up next year, early next year, probably January. That's gonna always be a dope time to see who did what things. We're probably gonna celebrate season 4, season 5, and the Tournament of Champions. Now, like you seen the title up there, what is this all about, Emoneyshoes? Is this another prank? Yes and no. Jordan 13 red Flints. Let's get into it. Jordan 13 box. PP personal pair size 10. Suggested colorway. Oh, not suggested colorway. Suggested retail price 190 them things. Fisher colorway. Navy, University blue. What? Are these across the water? Let's see what we got in here. Actually, no. Got these. These are already in production before they decided to drop. As you can see, the homie Word Customs hook Emoneyshoes up, paper wafer, and bam! You see that I got the shoe tree in there. I actually wore these joints. Bam and bam. Let me get this right. Let me do it like this. Bam. Dope. She got a hang tag on there, and you can see I did the lace swap with the 3M on these joints, right? Like so. So these probably what they're gonna look like. So I'm still gonna get it because I like red. Red is my favorite. You see, I did wear them, right? You already see, you can tell it's base. So it was blue, didn't do the bottom, but now it's red. So who's gonna be looking all under my foot? All of that is up there, it's red. Pretty much, the 13 is based off of the Black Panther, right? You already know that, so I don't have to tell you all of that, right? So you already know pretty much what the shoe, or you can expect this is what the shoe is gonna look like, right? You're gonna have your Roman numeral 13 underneath there. And then I got the regular laces right there, the white. You're gonna should have that 3M hit. You already know this part represent the whiskers, right? Then you're gonna have this part here, the mud guard, and all of that's gonna be nice and gray. You got the eye, which is right here, the hologram, right? Gonna have the hologram. Cause I did get 2 pair of the Flint and decided to make these like that. The laces came via Lace Lab, and they are 3M, trust me, they're 3M. She hooked up the Baby Jumpman in red. The tongue which should be red, right? So for all of you Ohio State fans out there, you probably be loving this type of shoe. Ohio State, who else is that color? Washington State, maybe even Alabama. Speaking of Alabama, yeah, my team We got the Alabama Crimson Tide this week, so I may be in a little bit of bad mood doing the show. We take a bad L to Alabama. My team is Auburn, but hey, nonetheless, it is what it is. I gotta clean the bottle though, cause just to make it look a lot better. But as you can see, red, all of that stuff. I don't anticipate the production date to be 11/6/19 to 3/9/20. You're also gonna have a shoe tree. You should have it in here like so. But yeah, I just wanted to show off actually my personal custom red Flint, Jordan 13 red Flint. You guys let me know what you think. You think these dope? Are these nope? Are you gonna plan on copping those shoes? Cause I'm definitely gonna cop them. 13s are not my most favorite shoe, but I will be copping it because it's red and just because I can. All right, so other than that, thanks for time out for watching my little planer Janer video. And yes, next year I will be doing on feet because I know that's what everybody want to see. They want to see the on feet. So tell a family member, friend of a friend, check out my channel. We on the road to 10K. Emoneyshoes, and we out. Peace.